Hi guys, it's SanaiPie DIY. Welcome to Draw It Nice. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to draw a cake today.
Today we'll be using the premium brush pens by Arteza.
You're going to start by using a black marker for your outline. Start by drawing the line in a way that the cake will look nice. So then when you draw the bottom one, you're going to draw wavy like lines to draw the frosting. Gonna draw the top the same way as you did at the bottom. Then you're gonna draw the same line that you did before the frosting, and you want to draw it even so it doesn't look all crazy. Then you're gonna draw the top. The top is gonna have frosting on it too. Okay, now that we draw the outside of the cake, you're gonna draw the face now. So the eyes are supposed to be big. And as I like to draw the eyes big so it looks cartoony. So I drew a circle and then I drew another circle for the eyeballs right here. Then you're gonna draw a line that looks like an upside down U. Then you do the upside down U because you want it to look like it's winking. So don't draw a circle, just draw an upside down U. And then maybe you can add some eyelashes. Now we're gonna do the mouth. Then I'm starting with a line with a regular U. And then I'm gonna draw the tongue. And then over here you draw like a sideways U, you could say, on both sides. I drew this sideways U's because they're the cheeks of the face. So you're gonna do the outlines for the candles on top of the cake, just like this. But you do straight lines and then you leave the bottom out because you got the frosting right there. So then you do the top line because you want the fire light to be at the top. So we're gonna keep on going. Alright, so those are the candles on the cake. So this is how you draw the outline on the cake. These are the 4 colors I'm gonna use to color my cake. You guys can use any other colors that you guys want. The first color I'm gonna start with is the color violet. So you're gonna color on top of the frosting. And then just go around all the outline that you've done so it doesn't make, so you can use the other colors that you need. This is the color that I'm going to use for the frosting, which is the color blue, and color of the sky. So the second color I'm gonna use is the color yellow, and I'm gonna use it for the color for the lighting of the candle. So put it on top of the candle. So the second color I'm gonna use for the candles is the color pink, and it's mixed up with orange. This color is the one that I use for the outline, which is the color black, but I'm gonna use it for the mouth and the eyes. So instead of coloring the eyeballs, I just like to do it like from the outside, like right here in your eyes. So then you color the top of the mouth, which is on top of the tongue. So don't color the tongue black because that doesn't make any sense. Okay, all done. This is what the cake looks like when it's finished. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe.